Hi, today I will show you how I've printed this mace. This item is designed by me. I've just found some photos on Google and designed it in Fusion 360. What is special about this part is that I've inserted a threaded rod inside, so it will be more durable, because the part here is quite thin and I was afraid that it will break. And also, when there is a smooth rod inside, it is easier to assemble it. I've printed this with Eryone rainbow PLA. It changes color every 9 meters. One of my considerations was to print the part in correct order and orientation, so the color change will be fluent. So I've come up with the idea that I will print this part first, then this one, and at last this one. But at first I've removed 3 meters of filament from the beginning and inserted it the other way around, so this bottom cap will match nicely with colors with the handle. Those are all the parts needed for the assembly, and I've splitted it so those parts can go just inside this, be locked by those 2 nuts on the ends here and here, and those the end cap and this top part will just self-thread on the road, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or I will swing you.